Welcome to another video. You already saw the title, so this is going to be our April Boxycharm unboxing. Woo! I did this whole look using the products from this month, and let me just tell you, they were bomb. Ooh, by the way, do you like my look today? I'm wearing all vintage. Like this shirt this shirt I bought like 7 years ago. My earrings were actually my mom's when she was like in her 20s. I have a bunch of them. The scarf was also my mom's, and these were actually my mom's as well. So my friend, let's just go ahead and get started. Papi, can you say yay? Yay! Alright you guys, so here we are. Let's just dig in. I'm so excited because this month's box is so good. Okay, so this is what the box looks like inside. The first thing I noticed is that they changed the little card thing, and look at this. What? So cute. I like that now you can see like the theme of the month. In this case is eye candy. So it has all the products and stuff, the description, the prices, and the Boxy Babes for the month. I'm gonna keep the card closed, and we're gonna start off with this because I'm so excited to try this. Seriously, let me get my card ready. So this is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner. It is a refining face mask, and it retails for $47. So this alone is double the price of the box, a little bit over. So hello, heck yeah. My face is already clean, so I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this. Oh, it's clear. I was expecting it to be like, I don't know, white, like a full white face mask. I know, it's more on the clear side. It almost looks like a gel, so that's cool. Ooh, it does feel very cooling. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna leave this blue goodness on my face for 10 minutes and I'll be right back. Alright, so I went ahead and removed the mask. I have to say my face feels, it really feels like they sucked the living crap out of my pores. Obviously, I would have to use it more. You know, it says use two to three times per week, so I would have to use it more to see if it really cleans all my pores and get all the gunk out of them. But so far, I really like the feeling of it, and my face looks and feels fresh and clean. The next thing in the box is, I want to try this first. This is, where's my card? Give me a second. This is the Brow Gel Instant Tinted Eyebrow Gel, and it retails for $22. Ooh, this looks very light for me, like really light, so I'm a little concerned. My brow hairs are way too dark, so I just wish this would have been like, you know, my tone, but I like the way it performed. Next thing we're trying in the box is this. This is the Tarte, there's that word again, Tarte Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter, and I got mine in the shade Exposed. Oh, and it retails for $29. Ooh. It has a very creamy consistency. I just wonder if I should just apply it like that or what. I'm just going to dot it. I don't know if that's enough. Ooh, I don't know. Well, let's just go for it. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh yeah, that is very pretty. Nice. I'm excited. Okay, so this is how it looks like. One layer, apply with the fingers as you saw. I like it a lot. I wonder if it would work on top of the makeup. Like once I do all the powders and all of that, is it going to lift the foundation, or if it's just gonna work, you know, beautifully on top of the makeup? I wonder. Like this will be perfect for the no makeup days. Like just a little bit of this, a little bit of gloss, and maybe some mascara, and boom, out the door. Yes, I like it, and the color is really perfect for my skin tone. Since the last two products in the box are for the eyes and lips, I'm gonna go ahead and do my foundation, all of that good stuff off camera, and I will be right back so we can do the eyes and finish this video up. I'll be right back. Okay, so foundation is on. Next thing in the box is this. This is the Colourpop Semi Precious Eyeshadow Palette, and it retails for $26. Let me just tell you, I got so excited when I saw this one. Everyone that subscribes to Boxycharm this month gets a Colourpop eyeshadow palette, and I got super excited because I didn't have, well, I don't have any of the palettes that they were showcasing that people were gonna get. I mean, obviously I got this one now thanks to the box. Since I'm wearing so many bright colors on my outfit today, I'm gonna go ahead and stick to the neutrals on the palette. And since this palette doesn't have any matte eyeshadows, I'm gonna go ahead and use this one, you know, to kind of complement. Man, this is so good. Oh my god, now I see why this one is $26. Because usually Colourpop eyeshadow palettes, usually they're around either $16, $18 or so, and this one is $26. But man, this is worth every single penny. Seriously, it applied like a freaking dream. Bomb. Bomb. Everyone needs this in their lives. Just saying. And last thing in the box, people, is this. This is the Adese, I don't know how to pronounce that. Adese High Definition Liquid Lipstick, and it retails for $24. Wow, this is pretty big. I feel like it's larger than normal liquid lipsticks. So this is what the shade looks like. This is the Hi. My baby just woke up from his nap and he knows that I'm filming, so he's saying hi to all of you. So this is what the shade looks like. It's a beautiful nude, more on the brown side. And let me just say real quick, it was Por supuesto, mi hijo, tú tienes razón. Claro. And just so you know, it is bigger than your average liquid lipstick, because look, this is in comparison with a Colourpop one. As you can see, the Adese is much larger. So let's just go ahead and apply this. Alright you guys, and this is how the liquid lipstick looks like. It's not a matte liquid lipstick, so if you prefer liquid lipsticks that are fully matte, just be aware of that. But I actually really like the fact that it's not matte, because I've been into glosses and that glossy shiny lip lately. I feel like it's perfect for spring. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I love you, Papi. I love you so much. Overall, I think this was a great box. I did the math. Yes, this is my little mini me right here. I did the math, and the overall price of the box was $148, and you only pay $21, people. $21 a month. So come on, it is a steal if you ask me. I have to say my favorite products were these two, the Tarte Glow thing, the Tarte liquid lipstick, the Tarte liquid lipstick, the Tarte liquid highlighter, because it worked beautiful both underneath and on top of the makeup. And oh my god, the Colourpop eyeshadow palette. This is it's one of those things that everyone needs. If you're into makeup and you love eyeshadows, you need this in your life. The liquid lipstick is a beautiful shade. I like the color. I see myself wearing. And obviously the Dr. Brand mask, I would need to try a little more, you know, to see if it works on my skin. But based on what I saw today and how it performed today, ching ching. The brow gel, I liked it. I just wish it was a darker color for me. But other than that, everything was bomb, people. Bomb. Anyways, I would love to know, what did you get? Did you get the same palette as me? Did you get the same products as me? Did you like it? You didn't like? Let me know in the comments section. Yeah, my friend, that was everything for today. Don't forget to subscribe. Like always, I send you lots of love. Oh, my baby sends you lots of love, kisses and hugs. Stay safe, my friend. I'll see you in the next one. Love, peace, and chicken grease. Bye.